Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nest Thermostat with Google Home Energy Reports. First, ensure your Nest Thermostat is installed and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. Select your home from the list if prompted. The app will search for available devices. Once it finds your Nest Thermostat, tap on its name. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the thermostat to Google Home. After setup, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Find and select your Nest Thermostat from the list of devices. Now, locate the settings icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Energy Settings. Here, you can enable or disable energy reports. Select the option to receive regular energy reports. Choose your preferred frequency for these reports. You can customize settings for viewing your energy history. Ensure that notifications are enabled to receive updates. Adjust any thresholds or preferred temperatures as needed. Save all changes by confirming your selections. Your Nest Thermostat is now configured to provide energy reports. Check back frequently to monitor your energy usage effectively. Enjoy the benefits of smarter energy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.